Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your saved Facebook password. So first up, what you need to do is to check your settings. And if you have this feature called passwords right in this settings section, then you should be able to access it. And your Facebook password should be saved in there as long as you have it activated or have it available on your iPhone. Now, if that isn't available, you can also head to your Safari or whichever browser you're using, and then just head to Google and make sure you're logged in to the Google account that's linked to your Facebook. So once you have that logged in, just tap on your profile photo and then tap on Manage Your Google Account. And then from here, we're going to select Security right over here. And then we're just going to scroll all the way down until we see Password Manager right over here. Now we're going to go ahead and access this. And your Facebook should be saved right over in this section if this is the Google or Gmail that's linked to your Facebook. You can just search for your Facebook and access your password from there. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.